Welcome guys, today I have for you a time saver. This is a model Lynx 37 MWT-DB-60. This machine is wired for 200 volts and we'll get right into it. First I'd like to show off the inside behind the door before we get started. We got our two heads, we got the grinding head, and then we also have the brush right here. You can make your adjustments as you please in here. Along with the sensors for our belt when it retracts back and forth. It does have a key to it for safety reasons. And then a little door to go ahead and take a look at what you're doing. There are a couple of e-stops on this button if you want to take a walk over here real quick. We do have two e-stops right here. And then the lid right here to get into our rollers. Off to the side we do have the blower for the machine, which we'll demonstrate. And that basically wraps it up for this side. Over here we do have the coolant tank. As you can see, it's not hooked up to the machine currently. It will feed right underneath the base and you'll have 3 wires to plug in. This also does come with the paper feed roller. With all that being said, we'll just get into starting the machine. First with turn on the switch, a little power button right there, and you got your 2 motors right up here, and then along with your blower, coolant, and your track right here. So we go ahead and start that. So that's going to be the first head, the grinding head. And that's our second head. From there, you can see that we got our table going with a variable speed right here. Speed it up or slower on down. The coolant button right here illuminates, but as I mentioned, it's not set up. And then lastly, you have the blower. Go ahead, turn those off right now. And then you have the blower, which is what's going on in the background. Turn that off one more time. Turn that on for you. So you could run the table down or up with your little reader right here. And that basically wraps it up for this machine. Again, this is going to be our time saver. This is a model, just give me 1 second. Excuse me, I gotta find the model number. Sorry about that. It's a model Lynx 37 MWT-DB-60, wired for 200 volts. Thank you very much.